Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Luna Bean kit is probably one of the most heartwarming and creative ways to capture a special moment. Whether you're looking to commemorate a wedding, an anniversary, or simply the bond between loved ones, this kit offers a unique and tangible keepsake. It's a fun, engaging activity that results in a beautiful, personalized piece of art, perfect for displaying and reminiscing for years to come. Number 5. Luna Bean XL Family Hand Casting Kit. This extra-large kit is designed for families, comfortably molding up to 6 hands. It's perfect for capturing the love of your whole family, creating a lasting memory with loved ones. The advanced molding gel precisely captures even the finest lines and fingerprints. The safe, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic formula is gentle on skin, ensuring accurate timing and easy use for everyone. No baking is required. With an extended working time and a simple process, the whole family can enjoy creating together. From kids to grandparents, it's a fun and safe activity for everyone. The kit comes with everything you need, including a large molding bucket, powders, sandpaper, and tools. It also includes a QR code linking to a full-length step-by-step video tutorial to guide you through the process. Create unforgettable keepsakes for families, parents, and grandparents. This is ideal for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, or just because. It's more than a craft, it's a cherished memory that they will treasure forever. What we like. This kit is extra large, perfect for capturing the whole family's love. It's safe and easy for all ages, from kids to grandparents. If you're looking to create a lasting family keepsake, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for capturing those special moments together. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need. The finished product is a beautiful, detailed replica. The instructions were easy to follow. Number 4. Luna Bean Deluxe Belly Casting Kit. This kit helps you cherish the journey of pregnancy. It allows you to create a lasting keepsake of your baby bump, capturing every detail before your little one arrives. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth finish, perfect for painting and decorating. It comes with plaster wrap, lubricant, primer, and more to make the process easy. It's made with non-toxic and hypoallergenic materials, ensuring safety for expecting mothers. The process is simple, with easy-to-follow instructions, making it fun for everyone. Instead of a flat photo, this kit lets you create a 3D cast of your pregnant belly. It's a unique way to remember this special time and create a beautiful piece of art. Just mix, mold, cast, and peel away. The kit is designed for ease of use, and the team is ready to help with any questions. It's a wonderful way to celebrate motherhood. What we like. This kit offers a smooth finish, perfect for decorating and cherishing your baby bump. It's made with safe, non-toxic materials, ensuring a worry-free experience. If you're an expecting mom looking to create a beautiful 3D keepsake of your pregnancy, this kit is designed for you. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to make a mold of your hands. The detail is incredible, you can see every line and wrinkle. It's a fun project to do with family or friends. Number 3. Luna Bean Baby Hand and Footprint Kit. This kit helps you remember your little one's tiny hands and feet. It's a perfect keepsake to cherish those early days before they grow up so fast. The kit includes everything you need: clay, cutting rings, letter stamps, a brush, easels, ribbons, and clear instructions. It's designed to make the process easy and fun. The materials are 100% safe and non-toxic, perfect for babies and even pets. You can create lasting memories without any worries. It's ideal for babies aged 0 to 9 months. You can also use it for your fur babies. Display the finished product as an ornament or a tabletop piece. To prevent cracking, make sure the clay is smooth. Keep it covered while drying, and avoid direct heat. This ensures a beautiful, lasting impression. What we like. This kit uses baby-safe materials, ensuring a safe and fun experience. It's easy to create adorable hand and footprints. If you're a new parent or looking for a unique gift, this kit allows you to capture those precious early moments as a keepsake. What people say. The kit was so easy to use, the clay was moist and workable, and the additional decorative elements included are great. I made my kids' hand print with this kit for Christmas gifts and it was perfect. It turned out great. Came with more shaping items than expected. Number 2. CHUCKLE Couples Hand Casting Kit. This kit helps you create a stunning keepsake, capturing every detail. It's perfect for preserving special moments, making it a meaningful gift for any romantic occasion. The kit includes everything needed to create a detailed hand sculpture. Unlike basic kits, it ensures a high-quality hand mold with a strong base for display. It contains step-by-step instructions and a tutorial video. This will guide you through the process of creating a professional, stunning memento. This is the perfect gift for any occasion. It's an ideal gift for him and her, making it a thoughtful choice. It's made with safe, high-quality materials to create a unique 3D sculpture. It captures even the smallest details for a gorgeous finish, representing the bond between any special couple. What we like? This kit captures every detail, creating a stunning hand sculpture. It's an all-inclusive kit with everything you need. If you're looking for a romantic and memorable activity to share with your partner, this kit is perfect for creating a lasting symbol of your bond. What people say. This had easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions. Really easy and fun activity to do. Super produit facile d'utilisation, la résultat est magnifique. Number 1. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit Refill. This refill kit is perfect for creating lasting memories. It's non-toxic and easy to use for all ages, making it a fun activity for families and couples. The alginate molding material is non-toxic and hypoallergenic, ensuring safety for everyone. It's a high-quality formula designed for a better mold and more detail. Capture precious moments with handprints or footprints. This kit is ideal for special occasions and creating sentimental keepsakes. Just mix, mold, cast, and peel to reveal the impression. The kit features color-changing properties to help you follow the instructions. The color changes from pink to white as it sets, typically in 6 to 8 minutes. This kit is great for couples and babies. It's safe for babies and contains enough material for 2 adult hands, allowing you to keep casting without buying a whole new kit. It contains 1 pound, 450 g, of material. What we like? This refill uses non-toxic, hypoallergenic material, ensuring safety. It features color-changing properties for easy use. If you already have a kit and need more material, or want to create multiple casts, this refill is the perfect solution for your needs. What people say. It turned pink right away. The plaster of Paris cast has great detail. Used for Clone Willy, worked well, easier to use because of the color change. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.